I'm James Thom, and I'm from RMIT University, which is in Melbourne in Australia. It's been there quite a long time. It's in the centre of the city, and I'm part of the School of Computer Science and IT there. Within that, I'm within the discipline of information storage analysis and retrieval, and I'm an associate professor in that group. I'm going to talk about user evaluations in looking at the effectiveness of things like information retrieval systems. We'll actually be looking at several different areas with experiments that I've conducted with things like PhD students and colleagues. One of those is actually in looking at database schemas and matching of database schemas, and we'll look at the effectiveness, how we measure the effectiveness there. Another is with looking at the retrieval of open educational resources and how we need to use user evaluations to test the effectiveness of systems to do that. And the third example will be drawing on a study that was done with some colleagues and we were doing a study with an insurance company and looking at how by doing user evaluation of some of the results that their internal search enterprise system returns, they could actually get big savings in their customer support centre. I guess the very much hands-on approach is interesting, and particularly the emphasis on students doing a large project in over their final 2 years, and the way those projects are managed was certainly quite an interesting aspect of the education here, and the whole sort of notion of private university and perhaps being a bit closer to industry is something that's of interest. We at RMIT certainly have an industry flavour, although we're not a private university. We certainly try and listen to very much about what industry needs and try and gear our programs in a similar way.